This video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Roblox app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on search here, or if you can see this bar, then head down to search. So if you tap on this, go ahead and search for Roblox and then search using this search icon. And here we go, we have Roblox. Now to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Roblox Corporation. Currently it has reviews from over 37 million people and with a star rating of 4.7. And currently the app is around 125 MBs, and at the time of recording this, it has been downloaded, or it has a record of over 1 billion downloads. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download Roblox app on your Android smartphone. Once the download is done, it will be installed, and from here you can go ahead and tap on play to launch it. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see Roblox app here, so you can now launch your app from here. So that's how you can download Roblox app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.